In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for Classroom. If you create lesson slides, worksheets, posters, or name tags on a regular basis, Canva can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of building every classroom resource from scratch, you can use ready-made layouts, keep your materials visually consistent, and share them with students more efficiently. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process from opening Canva to exporting your finished classroom design. First, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Sign into your account, and once the Canva homepage loads, look to the top left area of the screen. Click your profile avatar or the team selection menu to make sure you're working inside the correct school or classroom workspace. This is especially helpful if you use Canva for more than one purpose, because it keeps your educational files organized in the right place. Next, head to the left-hand sidebar and click on Brand. From there, select Add New Brand Kit. Give it a name based on your classroom or subject area, then create it. Inside this space, you can upload your school logo if you use one, choose your preferred fonts, and save your classroom colors. This makes it much easier to keep your worksheets, presentations, and posters looking cohesive and professional every time you design something new. Now go to the top right corner and click Create a Design. Choose the format that fits your goal. For example, presentation works well for lesson slides, while a document size like A4 or letter is a better choice for printable classroom materials. Once your blank canvas opens, click Design in the left sidebar and search for something like Classroom Lesson or Educational Worksheet. Pick a template you like and it will appear on your canvas, ready for editing. To add your lesson content, double-click into any text box on the template and type in your material. Use the toolbar at the top to change fonts, adjust colors, and set alignment. Choose fonts that are easy for students to read and keep your layout clean so important information stands out clearly. If you want to send the resource directly to students instead of printing it, go to the top right corner and click Share. Then click More and choose the learning platform you want to use, such as Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams. Set it as an assignment, adjust the student options, and send it to your class. Finally, review your design carefully. Move text and graphics until Canva's alignment guides show everything is lined up neatly. When you're ready, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for digital use or PDF print for high-quality handouts and posters, then click Download to save your finished file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.